what we're going to do is some location scouting. So what I'm going to be going for is I'm going to be trying to find a location that is very flat, very simple. I don't want too many textures. I don't really want any trees. I want something simple to model because we want to keep the poly count as low as possible. The reason for this is so that the render times are as low as possible. So what I'm going to actually use is Google Maps. So I'm from Canberra, the nation's capital. I know that there's nothing really around here, but I think in Lonsdale Street here where all the hipsters are. See, this would be a nice area. However, we've got a lot of trees and the buildings are nice and simple, but oh, they make amazing hot dogs. I mean, amazing rolls. Anyway, but it's still too busy. But I mean, Google Maps is it's a very good resource to actually scout for locations. Because what we can actually do is we can go, let's have a screenshot here. Let's take a screenshot at 90 degrees. Let's take a screenshot here. And let's take another screenshot here. Now we've got a whole 360 rotation of what we can model. I thought about doing something in Scotland, probably on like a coastal region. So let's just dump ourselves here. So this seems quite nice. Not that bit there because there's a park there. But I mean, if we go up the street here, I do like this. It looks very nice. Is what I'm going for. I mean, there's one simple texture here. There's a lot of pipes though. It's nice. I might use this for a different short film, but look, it's very simple. I've got a scale. There's a person here. Let's just say she's 2 meters high, and we can go from there. So when we're modeling, I can actually go. I can model this bit here, and then array it, and then what I'll do is just create 3 floors instantly. So this is something just to keep mindful of when you want to model the scene, because obviously if you're out in the streets filming, you don't have to worry. It's like, that's a good location, let's use it. What location I'm actually going to be using is this one. So this is in Croatia, Zagreb. My wife and I were here many years ago now, but I really like just this area. I mean, those windows are very nice. They're very simple textures. The roof looks nice. And I think what I'll be using is this wall here. So as you can see, the windows are fairly simplistic. There's a bit of a worn texture, but that's fine. I mean, we can replicate it. I mean, I just have to model this area, set up an array, and I've got the rest of the building. I might not put that plaque there, but I've also got a person here for scale. So I think this is the spot that I'm going to use because I really like this spot. I might set up like a letterbox here-ish, and then this way we can look down the street a little bit. I will though probably cut it off here, so I might make a street here, and then maybe if I model this building, because I'm pretty sure I know how I'm going to do the camera, I'll model this bit, and then I might just like copy it to block off the street, and then so I've like done the work. I'm just kind of like duplicating it, and it shouldn't be hopefully too noticeable, but I think this is going to be the spot that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of this side. I might have to do a few screenshots of this building, so I'll get this screenshot, maybe a little bit over here, a little bit over here, and then down the street as well. Because I mean, all this looks nice, it just adds to it. So this is just a good way of location scouting.